How you doing? Back again with the product review. Going on a thing lighter. This is the lighter and the cutter. That's the packaging that they come in. Pretty neat though. Exhaust, made on the bed, paper on the front. Got the little leather case that you slide in, travel with it. But you always throw that stuff away. This cutter, that's a pretty neat though. Nice steel, there's some help to it. Kind of hear how sharp it is. It's opened up. Got the logo on the inside of it. Sorry for highlighting. And you can kind of see it on the side over here. So as you see, it's got the whole. That's really how good it cuts. I mean, for $30, you can't beat it though. For how sharp that is. Kind of neat though. It's got like the little button go it in. Got the child proof on it, so button pops over. Kind of puts the cigar, put it where you want it. Not bad. I mean, it's nice and heavy where you want it. You know, it's not going to break. You know, we need to get those little cheap ones. It sucks because still not that good, and they just wear out. Don't want to wear out. You want to keep having to go and get a new one every couple once in a while, and they don't cut right. Again, you want to put it off the top and just slice it off. Then when you want to put it away, slide it on back, slide it on down. Yep. And you can kind of store it away in your humidor or wherever you like, and it's all nice and neat. Yeah, but like, yeah, I got some nice packaging. This one's red, black, that. So I'm gonna write this down. There you go. Put that together for you. Got that nice logo. Can't see it. I've had it for a while. I'll show it to you once I get down. Had the lighter longer. Mhm. Yeah. Also got the three things on the bottom for the flame. We got three burners on the back. You also have your cigar holder. So when you want to just lay your cigar down and you want somewhere to put it on there. Or depending on how big your cigar is, you can lay your cigar in like that. Leave it up, sit down. It ain't going nowhere. It's clean and neat. And also comes with a hole punch. So if you just wanna, if you don't want a straight cut, you just want a hole punch. And then the hole that I had, stick it in there, make it hole. Not that big. There you go. You see how big it is. That big, just perfect. All your hole in there, walk away. Then at the bottom of it, it's cool. Without there's also magnets in the bottom. So for your draw tool or your holder or your yeah, the draw tool. Yeah. You can open it up if you want some more. Yeah. Oh, it's, you can see that it won't. Well, it's just kind of hard to fall out, but if you shake it, I guess it will. But okay, let's pull it down, pull it out, poke it in there, open up a little bit more if you have to, or you just want to use for the your poker, want a little bit longer. Yeah, for those who smoke those other cigarettes. Then if you want to turn it up and down, adjust the flame. Yeah, you see that little hole in there, like there we go. Yeah. Anyway, there's a little hole in there, so you just turn it up and down, and that's how it has the fuel port also. There you go. Then on the side, there's the door, fuel door. So if you want to see it was slow, you can also do that too. And I forgot to say it. You don't got to do all that. If you just want to set the whole ladder down, on your table or whatever, the body of it, the top of it, just hold the cigar with that also. That way, that way, way, that way. And also kind of enjoy the vents on the side. It kind of gives me more of a premium feel of look, and it's also heavy also. I kind of enjoyed both of the products. I mean, the lighter is about 20 bucks. Cut it's about 30. So for 50 bucks, yeah, it's a good deal. And guys, that's it for that. See y'all later. Hope y'all enjoyed the video.